Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to write a review on Booking.com. Sharing your travel experiences helps other travelers make informed decisions while giving hotels valuable feedback on their service. Let's start by heading over to Booking.com in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your account credentials to access your booking history. This step is essential because only guests who've actually stayed at a property can leave verified reviews. After signing in, you'll need to locate the specific hotel or property you want to review. You can use the search bar to find it, or simply scroll through your recent bookings. Once you've found the right reservation, look for the Write a Review button or a review option displayed next to that booking. Click on it to begin the review process. Now you'll be asked to rate your overall experience. Booking.com typically uses a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being exceptional. Take a moment to think about your stay and select the number that best reflects your experience. This overall score gives travelers a quick snapshot of your impression. Next, you'll see detailed questions about specific aspects of your stay, such as cleanliness, service quality, location convenience, and other important categories. Answer these honestly, as they provide travelers with a more nuanced understanding of what to expect. These breakdowns are incredibly helpful for people with specific priorities. Once you've completed the ratings, it's time to write your actual review in the text box provided. Be honest and balanced, including both the positives and any negatives you experienced. This authenticity helps other travelers get a realistic picture of the property and helps the hotel understand what they're doing well and where they can improve. To make your review even more valuable, add specific details like your exact stay dates, which amenities you used, and any special experiences worth mentioning. Did the staff go above and beyond? Was the breakfast exceptional? These details make your review far more useful. Before submitting, take a moment to review your feedback. Check that it's clear, fair, and complete. Make sure your comments are constructive rather than overly harsh or vague. Once you're satisfied, click the Submit button to post your review. Thanks for watching.